Welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Ports. The news is regarding the Ferry STAVROS and ro-pax European Star collision and Piraeus. Ferry STAVROS collided with ro-pax European Star at Piraeus in Karatsini on April 5. Understood Ferry was maneuvering while European Star wasn't underway. She is in layup, according to available data. Both ships reportedly sustained damages. Both ships remained at port and were still in port in the morning April 6. Passenger ro ship Stavros IMO 8973-136 GT 3764, built 2001, with flag Greece, manager Pangaea Shipping Company. Passenger ro-ro cargo ship European Star IMO 78.3949, built 1981, flag Panama. Manager North Bay Transporters. Equities. If you like this information, do share with your all seafarer friends. Thank you.